No, I really don't want to go to school today because I get sent to the principal's office many times, and I'm sick of it. Hey, I can cut school and go to Pump It Up by telling my teacher I have a dentist appointment. Miss Derrick, I have a dentist appointment, and I don't think I will be in school today. All right, you can go. Miss Derrick? What is it, Molly? I don't remember Billy having a dentist appointment. I think he doesn't. Something tells me Billy might be skipping school to go to Pump It Up. That must be it. I may have to make a phone call to his parents. I am having so much fun at Pump It Up, nothing bad could ruin this. But I think I had enough time at Pump It Up. I'll just go back home. I hear somebody coming. I must hide in the closet. Billy, where are you? Billy, I got a call from your school. They said you were skipping school to go to Pump It Up. Is this true? Yes or no? Yes. Go to bed now. You're grounded until you die.